If you're looking for a new, contemporary and very effective strategy to capture motivated business leads and convert them into regular paying customers, you've come to the right place. Let me introduce you to our local lead machine tablet-based apps, the very first of their kind. These are custom-made apps you place on your iPad or tablet that you can easily use in your business every day. They're specifically designed to help you generate and close better qualified sales leads. Now your tablet device can act as your silent salesperson. These apps are so powerful, they're truly something you simply can't afford to ignore. And the process is so simple. We create your apps for you. You install your lead capture apps onto your tablet and begin capturing leads. Here's how you can use these powerful apps. In seconds, you can create a killer lead capture system. Use it, for example, to capture buyers right when they're handing over their credit card. Now you have proven buyers on your list. You can follow up with these buyers with additional promotions. Following up with proven buyers is one of the most surefire moneymakers. Do you have a product or service that your customer needs to see before they buy? Now you can show your customers the product or service with hands-free automation. You'll save bags of time and money without needing sales staff to help close sales in the process. Do you want to capture more leads when people visit your business? Now you can. By using this special offers and competitions app, you can capture emails and telephone numbers to follow up and close more sales than ever before. Every local business needs more reviews. And now you can get more of them by getting instant feedback right when your customer is in the mood to leave it, not afterwards when they get home and are distracted or simply forget. Take advantage of these unique, smart sales generating apps today. Turn all of your valuable business time into more money. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today and let us create your smart sales tablet apps for you. Or if you'd like more insight about how these apps can turn your tablet into your silent salesperson, simply enter your contact details and get instant access to our free information pack now. This information could change your business forever.